Welcome back all of my viewers and all of my lovely subscribers. Hope you're having a blessed day. You see me? And I did trendy dancehall, and naturally, before we jump into anything, please subscribe if you're new. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make that one a quick and spicy, so no, please don't tune in, hesitate to every little thing we are going. So alright, news were out that Rygin King is in the hospital same way, and he was relocated from one hospital to the other due to, safety measures and thing people. So, our next news come out, and this news was kind of, shocking, cause it's like people allegedly say, yo, shoot, I go for Rygin King at the hospital, man, go for finish him at the hospital and them thing there, and camera catch them on. You see me, people are regular style, like, them dead and thing, me I talk about, you see me. Anyway, so police did, hold on to two guys, arrest two guys and have them in for questioning and stuff, you see me, in regards about the Rygin King situation, because, people, it did kind of look strange, and the camera did catch them, and due to everything where that take place, I understand, so nobody now take no threat, you see me, but people just want to know, say, yo, the man charge, go look for him, if you're there right, just right now, now hear me at the dog charge them, you see me. So I just want to make that confirm, say Rygin King did know the guys, them, you see me, and speedy recovery in Rygin King on the behalf of the trendy dancer, you see it.
Whole heap of people, because through yesterday, I say, I got add Lisa, in my DM, people have text me. Ask her if she and Dexta daps are come. Ask her if she and Dexta daps are come.
Why you don't ask Dexta daps that? Why you don't want me be the one to inform?
No, but Lisa, say Dexta not go.
Why you don't want me to be the one to inform? Why you don't ask Dexta daps that?
No, but that means if you are informed, that means something goes on.
Foota, you too informed. We never said that a while ago, Foota.
No, but you can't inform.
We never said that a while ago.
But wait,
Foota later, Foota later.
Hey people, you think Foota Hype easy, people? No wonder more while them have to hate him, so in terms of how him just go to not hate him for saying what them want to do him things in it, you see me? But cheese and peace, what a man love mix up, yo. Yo, the dog just set up Lisa Hype. If you check your level, people, what do think? Me feel a big setup that right this. Yo, people, you see that question the way him lick her a while ago like a ton of brick. Hear me, I say, people, my style Latin, you lick you like a ton of brick. Wipe on the licking still. But watch on this Lisa Hype and Dexta daps straight up. People are got inquiry upon them thing. They look so to me, everybody I think that. But you know we're funny about everything. Just look how she answer to the question. You see me? Like, think about it as in for say, think about it like this. She must know say people are think them thing, and she should have know to respond to a question like that. You see me? You see right, that's how she one day she forget where or blow the cover or not, as you see how she answer people, you see me? Something not go on they say, something not go on and you got hear about it. Something not go on between them, man, no lie. What do you think? Alright, man, peeps, but watch a prayer, You see, if you reach this far in the video, congratulate yourself, because so far we're going in the video that after I get in here. You see, pray. So watch now, Jada Kingdom and Skillibeng. Right now, me feel like the project with them are work on bigger than what some people think. You see me? I know my business, my business, but the people them see and know, and we are human. We have one set of way of thinking, and congrats to the people them we can, go higher in night like man like me, you see me? No pay the look about girl nice, nothing, you see me? I'm not there home right now, you see me? But watch a prayer now. Skillibeng feature Jada Kingdom on him page with a video. She a smoke and eat one time, you see me? Otherwise from that, the vibes and all them mechanic and thing, it look good, you see me? So in at that time, they are the first time we see them mechanic. Then we see him go live with Cartels on them and she get a piece, right? The next thing I know is a track with the two of them.
Fiddle my feet like that. You have to fight back. Let me tell you that. For sitting on my mingle, not take no chat, boy.
No jokes, people. New song almost out by Skillibeng and Jada Kingdom. End that video, dislike, subscribe, share to a friend or family.